Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Space. Today, we have something really fun and useful for you. Imagine walking into a cozy coffee shop. You want to order your favorite drink, maybe a hot latte, a cappuccino, or just a simple cup of tea. But then you realize, how do I say it politely in English? How do I ask for my drink, talk to the barista, or even have a small chat with a friend at the coffee shop? Don't worry, we're here to help.
That's right, Anna. Coffee shops are not just about coffee. They are a great place to practice English in real life. You can order drinks, ask about the menu, thank the barista, and even start a small conversation with friends. It's everyday English, and it's very useful.
Exactly. And today, we will learn many simple expressions and phrases that you can use the next time you are at a coffee shop. You will also hear some examples of conversations. So stay with us because this episode is going to be both practical and fun.
Before we begin, let me ask, Anna, do you like coffee or tea?
Oh, I love both. But if I go to a coffee shop in the morning, I usually order a cappuccino. How about you?
I'm more of a tea person. A hot green tea is my favorite. And sometimes I like to try iced drinks when it's hot outside.
See? That's a great way to start. Talking about preferences is a natural conversation starter in English. You can simply say, I like coffee, or I prefer tea, or my favorite drink is simple but useful.
Yes, and when you are at a coffee shop, the first thing you usually do is greet the barista. For example, you can say, "Good morning," or "Hello," with a smile.
And then you can use polite phrases to order. For example, can I have a latte, please? I'd like a cappuccino. Could I get an iced tea, please?
Notice how we always add "please." It makes you sound polite and friendly.
And don't forget to say thank you after receiving your drink. Politeness is always important. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Can I have a medium cappuccino, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Great. Anything else?
Yes, I'd also like a chocolate muffin.
Perfect. So 1 medium hot cappuccino and 1 chocolate muffin. That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Thanks a lot. See how simple that is? Just polite greetings, asking clearly, and thanking the barista.
Another common situation is asking about the menu. Maybe you don't know what drinks they have. You can ask, "What do you recommend? Do you have any non-coffee drinks? Can I see the menu, please?"
Yes, and you might want to ask about sizes or flavors. For example, what sizes do you have? Or do you have vanilla syrup?
Exactly. Asking questions at a coffee shop is easy if you know the right phrases. Hi there. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. What do you recommend today?
Our caramel latte is very popular. We also have a special iced matcha latte.
Oh, interesting. Do you have non-dairy milk?
Yes, we have soy milk and almond milk.
Perfect. Then I'll have a caramel latte with almond milk.
Great choice. What size would you like?
A large, please.
All right. 1 large caramel latte with almond milk. It'll be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
Asking questions helps you make better choices and practice more English. Another situation. You are not alone. You go to a coffee shop with a friend. You sit, chat, and maybe talk about your favorite drinks. This is a perfect chance to practice small talk in English.
Yes, small talk is simple conversation about everyday topics. Drinks, food, the weather, or plans for the day.
Here's an example. This cappuccino is so good. What are you drinking?
I'm having iced green tea. It's very refreshing.
Nice. Do you come here often?
Yes, maybe twice a week. I like the quiet atmosphere. How about you?
It's my first time here, but I like it. The music is relaxing.
True, it's also a great place to study or work,
That's a good idea. Maybe next time I'll bring my laptop.
and we can study together. Simple, right? Just sharing opinions and asking basic questions.
Another useful situation is when something is wrong with your order. Maybe your drink is too hot or you got the wrong size. You need polite language to solve it.
Yes, never say, "This is wrong." Instead, you can say, "Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered. Sorry, but I asked for a small, not a large. Could you please change this?"
That way, you sound polite and the barista will be happy to help. Excuse me, I'm sorry, but I think this isn't my order.
Ah, what did you order?
I asked for a medium latte, but this is a large.
Oh, I see. I apologize for the mistake. Let me fix that right away.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Here's your medium latte.
Perfect. Thanks again.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your drink. See? Using polite language makes the situation easy and comfortable for both sides.
So far, we have learned greetings, ordering, asking about the menu, chatting with friends, and fixing a mistake.
Yes, and all of these are real life situations you may face in a coffee shop. Practicing them will give you confidence to speak English in public.
And coffee shops are everywhere. They are wonderful places to practice listening, speaking, and even reading menus in English.
That's true. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they will feel.
Exactly. Don't be shy. Next time you're at a coffee shop, try to order in English. Say hello, smile, and be polite. It's a simple but powerful step in your English journey. You know, Fairy, one more thing that is fun to practice at a coffee shop is describing what you see. For example, you can describe the place, the smell, the people, or even the music. This is good practice for speaking in English.
Yes. For example, you can say, "The coffee shop is busy today." Or, "I smell fresh coffee beans." Or even, "The chairs are comfortable." These are short sentences, but they help you use simple English naturally.
Exactly. Let's give some more examples. Imagine we are sitting here right now. I might say, The music is soft and relaxing, or I see many people working on their laptops.
And I could say, the barista is making drinks quickly, or the light from the window is bright and warm.
This way, you're not only practicing English, but also improving your ability to notice details. It's like an English observation game.
Yes, and if you go with a friend, you can even ask them questions about what they notice. For example, what do you see? What do you hear? Do you like the music? Is this place comfortable for you?
Perfect. It's an easy way to start a longer conversation.
Another nice activity in coffee shops is talking about plans. You sit down with a drink and you can chat about what you will do later. For example, after this, I will go shopping. Or later, I have to study for my exam.
Yes, and you can also practice future tense. Say things like, I'm going to meet a friend, or I will call my mother later. It's everyday English in a natural way.
And sometimes you can also talk about your feelings. Maybe you are tired, happy, or relaxed. For example, I feel tired, but this coffee helps me. Or, I'm happy to sit here with you.
That's wonderful. Coffee shops are social places, and using English in real situations makes learning more fun.
And remember, the key phrases we use today are not difficult. They're short, polite, and useful.
Yes, even beginners can do this. Just remember the three golden rules: greet politely, order clearly, and thank the person.
And of course, enjoy your drink.
Exactly. Learning English should feel as enjoyable as drinking your favorite cup of coffee.
All right, friends, that brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning simple but powerful English phrases you can use at a coffee shop.
Remember, the best way to improve is to practice. Next time you visit a cafe, try using these expressions with confidence.
Be polite, be friendly, and enjoy the conversation. Small steps like this will build your English skills every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.
Thank you for listening, and we'll see you again in the next episode of Simple English Space.
Bye, everyone.